Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing a coconut and cherry loaf cake. This is a great, light and airy sponge cake, and with the coconut and cherry combination, you simply can't go wrong. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get started. The ingredients for the glaze. The ingredients for the coconut and cherry cake. Note, all ingredients should be at room temperature. Preparation. Grease and line a 2-pound 900-gram loaf tin with cooking oil. Lightly coat the Glacé cherries with flour. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method for the glaze. Add the Malibu, which is the coconut liqueur, to the icing sugar and mix well. Method for preparing the coconut and cherry cake. Add in the eggs and whisk. Add in the oil and whisk. Add in the sugar and whisk. Add in the coconut extract and the vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Add in the desiccated coconut and whisk to combine. Sift in the self-raising flour, the baking powder and the salt. Mix to combine. Add in the Glacé cherries, mix. Spoon the mixture into the prepared loaf tin. Optional step is top with chopped Glacé cherries. Bake at the temperature shown for 50 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out clean. When done, remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Decorating. Spread the glaze evenly over the cake. Sprinkle with desiccated coconut. Decorate with Glacé cherries. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.